Welcome to the operational instruction of the Aspen A62. In this video, you and your team will learn about the Aspen A62 and be able to safely operate it for your project. We'll cover the following topics: warning and safety labels, location and function of the controls, overall operations of the A62. This video is intended to train your crew on the overall safety and operation of the Aspen A62, but please read and refer back to the operations manual for specific instructions, questions about the machine, and any mechanical or maintenance-related questions. Beginning operators should practice the procedures covered in this video before operating in actual work sites. The Aspen A62 comes equipped with 2 turrets and 4 booms. We'll be referring to them as they are labeled on the remote control. Turret 1, Turret 2, Boom number 1, Boom number 2, Boom number 3, and Boom number 4, as seen here. On the Aspen A62, you'll notice a variety of safety stickers. It's important that you familiarize yourself with the labels and their meaning before operation of the A62. Once you have arrived at the job site, be sure to inspect the area for any potential safety hazards. This includes overhead hazards, such as power lines, etc. Consider the job that must be done, whether it's for mounting brackets, setting pipe, painting, sandblasting, or the many other jobs to which the Aspen A62 gives you access. Position the machine above the desired work area. Cordon off that work area to warn traffic according to local, state, and federal regulations. Now it's time to perform a walk-around inspection. A complete inspection checklist can be found in the operations manual. Before starting to work with the machine, the truck must be in neutral with the parking brake engaged. At the truck cab location, turn the ignition switch to start the truck. Then turn on the PTO, unit power, engine 2-speed to run truck at high idle, and turn on the intercom. Head out to the Turret 1 location and adjust the intercom volume. The system requires you to choose between operation on the passenger side or the driver's side of the vehicle. We'll be providing instruction for passenger or the right side deployment. To engage axle locks and counterweight. At Turret 1 location, on the +1 operator interface, press OK, then select button number 1, axle lock counterweight mode. At counterweight screen, select button number 5, axle locks on. Depress the foot switch and hold button number 3. Activate axle locks and counterweight for right side operation until the axle locks and sliding counterweight are deployed. On counterweight screen, select button 5, run unit. Once the axle lock and counterbalance are set, you'll want to perform a visual inspection to confirm that both have been properly deployed. At this point, remove tie-down straps for the basket and booms. On the main menu, select button number 2 for the control system screen. On the control system screen, press button number 1, ground control. Turn on the ground controller. At the Turret 1 location, engage foot pedal and operate boom 4 down. And lower the platform rests. At the Turret 1 location, select X to return to the main menu screen. Select button number 3, Platform Leveling, then Manual, and then Platform Unstow until the platform is level. select Automatic. Select X to return to the main menu screen. On the +1 main menu, select button number 2 for Control Systems. Turn the ground controller off and the platform controller on. Board the platform with the radio and cradle. Securely clip in harness. Ensure platform radio controller is on. To properly engage each boom or turret, you must first press one of the hydraulic enable switches and then whichever function switch you plan to use. They are at the top corners of the remote, as well as a foot pedal on the floor of the platform. Operate boom 4 up so the platform is higher than the bottom of boom 3, approximately 45 degrees above boom 3 for visibility. Operate boom 1 up and boom leveling in until the booms are about 12 inches above the rests. Operate turret 2 clockwise to rotate boom 2 and boom 3 out to the side a few feet away from the cab of the truck. Operate boom 1 to adjust the height of the boom assemblies to clear any obstructions. Adjust boom leveling as needed. Operate turret 2 clockwise and turret 1 counterclockwise until boom 1 is positioned 90 degrees to the bridge and boom 2 and boom 3 are parallel to the bridge. Operate boom 2 and boom 3 open until boom 2 is vertical and boom 3 is horizontal. Boom 3 and boom 4 control may now be operated to provide clearance. The platform will automatically level as boom 2, boom 3, or boom 4 are moved. Operate turret 2 clockwise to rotate the platform under the bridge. Passenger side stowing. Operate turret 2 counterclockwise until boom 2 and boom 3 are parallel to the bridge. Operate boom 2 and boom 3 controls to completely close both booms. Operate boom 4 to adjust for proper clearance. Operate boom 1 to adjust for proper clearance. Adjust boom leveling as needed. Operate turret 2 counterclockwise and turret 1 clockwise until the boom assembly is directly over the boom rests. Operate boom 1 down and operate boom leveling out to place the booms in their rests. Booms should be placed in their rests simultaneously. Adjust boom 4 to provide safe exiting of the platform. Exit platform with the radio and cradle. Secure any other items used while deployed. Once you are out of the platform, use the ground controller at the turret 1 location to retract boom 4 all the way. Once boom 4 is retracted, press X to go to the main menu. Select platform leveling, turn auto off and manual on, and press platform stow until the platform is tucked up against boom 4. Lift and secure platform rest. Using the ground controller, raise boom 4 until platform is seated properly in platform rest. Tie down the straps to properly secure the platform and the boom assembly. Select Axle Lock Counterweight Screen. Hold the Return Right Side Operation button until the axle locks and sliding counterweight are fully disengaged. Function flashes red until fully disengaged and then is indicated in solid red. Go to the cab and shut down the intercom, engine 2-speed, unit power, and the PTO. Perform one final walk-around to confirm proper disengagement of the axle locks and stowing of the counterweight. Once everything is properly stowed for travel, the unit is now ready to leave the job site. Beginning operators should practice the procedures covered in this video before operating in actual work sites.